Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Asbia Fauzia, student ID number 24220132. I will explain a little about PBL, PJBL, and discovery learning. Firstly, I will explain about PBL, problem-based learning. Definition: PBL is a learning approach that focuses on complex situations or problems, where students strive to find solutions by applying relevant knowledge. Next, characteristic problem-based learning. Number one, authentic problems. Use real-world problems that are relevant to the student context. Number two, collaborative learning. Students work in group to discuss and solve problems. Number three, teacher as facilitator. The teacher act a guide rather than the primary source of information. Number four, critical skill development. Enhance critical and analytical thinking skills. For more step about PBL, problem-based learning. Number one, introduce the problem. Analyze the problem and identify the needed information. Number three, conduct research to find solution. Number four, present the solution and reflect on the learning process. That concludes the introduction on problem-based learning. Next, project-based learning, PJBL. Definition: PJBL is a learning method that involves a student in long-term project that result in a final product that can be present. Characteristic of PJBL, project-based learning. Engaging project processes are designed for relevance and student engagement. Number two, sustained process. Project lasts for several weeks or months. Practical skill development. Build skills such as time management, collaboration, and presentation. Reflection and feedback. Student receive feedback from teacher and first. Next step of PJBL, project-based learning. Number one, choose a topic or project. Number two, plan and design the project. Number three, execute the project through research and development. Number four, present the result to an audience. Number five, reflect on the experience and learning about it. Okay, next, mission of PBL. Number one, improve critical thinking skill. Train the ability to solve problems systematically, help understand the role of adults in real life, encourage students to become independent and responsible individuals, improve creative and collaborative skills, help students develop independent learning skills, namely the ability to organize and direct oneself in the learning process. Mission of PJBL, project-based learning. 1. Increase learning motivation, increase collaboration skills, increase critical thinking skills, explain research skill, increase problem solving skills, increase material or tools management skills, increase communication skills, increase research skills, increase writing skills, increase the ability to use the technology. Maybe That's what I can say about the goals of PBL and PGBL. Okay, next. Number three, discovery learning. I will explain a little about discovery learning. Definition: discovery learning is a teaching method where students learn through independent exploration, and discovery, usually with the teacher guidance. Okay, discovery learning, according to experts. Meanwhile, according to education expert Rusman, discovery learning is the support of an individual or group to find their own knowledge based on the experience they have gained. Furthermore, referring to per Commanding number 22 of 2016, the definition of discovery learning is a problem-based learning that aims to develop project assessment in instruments that are feasible to use and also of the innovation in developing more operational assessment. Origin of discovery learning. Discovery learning, a concept discovered by physiologist Jerome Brunet in 1961. His findings show that the learning model aims for students in the learning process to be able to gain new knowledge independently. Remember, although the goals of this discovery learning is to improve the independence abilities of participants, the learning situation and additional of students are still indispensable from the help. Next, characteristic of discovery learning. Active learning. Students are directly involved in the learning process. Independent discovery. Students are expected to find information and concept on their own. Focus and process emphasizes the thinking and exploration process, not just the end result. Inquiry and seeking answer. Students are encouraged to ask questions and see answer. A step of discovery learning. Number one, introduce the topic or concept. Number two, encourage students to explore and experiment. Number three, student gather that and draw conclusion. Number four, group discussion to talk about discoveries. Number five, understand and reflect on the concept learned. Okay, conclusion. These three approaches have different focus, but all aim to enhance student engagement and facilitate deep learning. By using the method, students can develop important skills for their future life and careers. Uh, that all from me. Thank you for your attention. I will. Uh, I hope this presentation has provided valuable insight for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.